Hello! Today we're going to visually demonstrate some of the wonderful benefits of two Young Living essential oils, lemon and Digize, and the vitality versions of these oils. We are surrounded by many toxins no matter how hard we try to avoid them. Today we are representing those toxins with styrofoam cups made with puffed number 6 plastic polystyrene, abbreviated PS, made of many styrenes. Styrene and benzene are both well-known hazardous substances. Styrofoam is a petrochemical, which means it's made from petroleum. Especially when paired with liquid and heat, a styrofoam container's toxins, like benzene and styrene, seep into the contents. But even with cold or dry food, contact with styrofoam is unhealthy. We are adding a single drop on one part of each cup and 3 drops on the other sides of each cup while I explain about these extremely essential oils. Apparently we have 4 on that one, but that's okay. All right. Young Living lemon oil is very well known to make life more pleasant by providing a fresh scent, having skin cleaning properties, and boosting the power of naturally derived household cleaners, as well as helping remove pesky adhesive labels, among many other things. Young Living lemon vitality oil can be used internally to help cleanse you from the inside out, while having an antioxidant effect and supporting your circulatory system, and of course adding a lovely citrusy taste to your favorite recipes. Digize is a Young Living oil blend we use on a daily basis to support our digestive systems. I mix 20 drops of Digize in a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle and fill the rest of the bottle with organic fractionated coconut oil, and keep it handy at all times to roll onto our bellies to keep them happy at meal times and right before bedtimes. But it would also make a good foot massage to help relax before or after meals. Digize contains tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, anise, patchouli, and fennel. Periodically, we add a drop of Digize Vitality to a glass and fill it with water to drink as a part of maintaining our wellness routines. And so right now I'm taking a look at those 2 cups, and they are both definitely showing some action over here with the lemon, and the Digize has gone straight through the cup on both sides there. The lemon's still working on it, but the Digize is completely done with its task there, and it will continue to break down the cup even more as we go. So as you can see, both of these Young Living oils are very capable of combating the toxic garbage we face on a regular basis. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to share the link for this video, and if you don't already know a Young Living brand partner, please contact me using the info in this video's description to learn more and start your wonderfully oily journey. Thank you.